Ang bango. This is how you make mouth-watering chicken in a rice cooker. Recipe natin today, gagamit tayong chicken stock. So gumamit tayo ng mix for garnish and some ginger. Close lang ulit. Wait for our timer to set. Habang naluluto siya, mix na natin yung sauce. Black vinegar, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar. Mix muna natin itong lahat. Halo na natin yung black and white sesame seed. Chili sauce natin. Mouth-watering chicken. Ito na kami. Ngayon, magpo-pour na tayo ng sauce. OG! Tayo na. Tinitikin. Abi! So, this is how you make mouth-watering chicken in a rice cooker.